Hi, everybody. It's amazing to be here. I'd like to talk about how education technology forms a brighter future, not only for our children, but also for our economies. Oh, there we go. Okay, so there is a gap, as Malcolm mentioned, between the number of computer science jobs required in the industry and the number of graduates that can actually fulfill those jobs. And that gap grows all the time. And in this example from the United States, is going to reach a shortage of 1 million programmers in about 3 years' time. And programming is also becoming a part of the everyday in a whole variety of other professions of engineering and research beyond software development itself. And the process of learning to code also supports a whole range of other important skills. So at this point, we should all go, everybody should learn how to code. The sooner, the better, the earlier, the better, right? But what makes us think that is even possible? 10 years ago at MIT, an amazing product called Scratch was launched, was brought into the world, and that gained amazing popularity and led to a wave of awareness in the famous Hour of Code program for American children, followed by a famous announcement by President Obama for a $4 billion program to fund computer science education in the United States. And I think by that point, it's safe to say the coding movement that we're part of has reached what's known as the peak of inflated expectations. So what are we seeing on the other side of that peak? If I had to sum it up in one sentence, I would say that exposing the fundamentals of coding in 1 hour to American students is a nice and important thing, but bringing a whole generation of students to reach advanced learning outcomes in a new and complex subject, such as coding, that's an entirely different story. And these learning outcomes are the skills that form tomorrow's most important commodity. Attaining that is our mission at CodeMonkey. And I'd like to show you, through our example, 2 factors that I think are key to achieving that success. One is high engagement. Our product, from the learner's perspective, is an online game. Simply, in this online game, the mechanics of the game are the ones of writing real programs, real code, to solve problems. But the high fun factor remains, and our data from over 5 million users shows that to be evident. From the other side, the instructor's perspective, this is a full-fledged curriculum resource, including lesson plans, tracking dashboard, automatic assessment and grading, and personalized feedback and hints that are done by our core technology in the background. So all of this creates a straightforward and simple rollout process for school systems and after-school systems around the world. And I think it's the combination of these two that led us to get all this highly positive acclaim and to win some awards that we are extremely proud of. What we're also very proud of is success in the field, and I'd like to show you what happened about a year and a half after first launching our product in 2014. This is an Israeli example.
1,700 schools participated daily for 3 months. CodeMonkey's special characteristics made it self-driven and easy for the schools to implement. The top-performing schools sent teams to train in a boot camp and then to compete in the finals mega event.
The results of the CodeMonkey Coding Olympics were beyond any expectations.
Last week, we completed 253,000 kids in Israel played CodeMonkey and learned code.
So this is now entering its 4th year consecutively, and in the meantime, we've been expanding globally, building upon that success. So in these 8 other examples, there are projects that are already active and monetizing on a national or regional scale. As a company, CodeMonkey has raised $2.5 million so far. We're this year at the verge of breaking even, expected to swing to profitability next year. And I think, to conclude that, I would say CodeMonkey is very well positioned as the best coding product for children today, and in the medium and longer term, towards becoming a global leader in education technology to create that brighter future. Thank you very, very much for your attention.